welcome to a pretty awesome video. You probably know what this is, and you probably read the title, so I think you have a pretty good idea. And here's the thing. We've actually hit 1 million subscribers back in April. So yeah, pretty much 3 months ago. And we've made a massive video in which I talked about things I've never talked about before. So I talked about my life and how I started ZONEofTECH and how I turned ZONEofTECH from something that was just an idea, a hobby, into an actual job, as well as a company. Definitely give that video a watch in case you missed it. Now, that video was just part 1 of the big 1 million thank you video. There are 2 more parts coming, and in that video I said that part 2 was coming in 2 weeks. And it's been 3 months. So what happened with part 2? Is it still coming? I got hundreds of messages regarding that, and yes, part 2 is still coming. So essentially part 1 was all about myself, but part 2 and 3 are with my team as well. But because of the whole COVID-19 situation, on March the 20th, we've actually moved all of our equipment and started working remotely from home. In fact, by the time the 1 million part 1 video went live, we were all working remotely. And all the footage was actually recorded, I believe, in our last week at the office. Our studio was still in place during the time when we were away, by the way. But I was mostly here every day, just as usual. My team was working remotely from home, except for when we had new B-roll shots to do for a video. That's when either Harry or Connor would come for a few hours or an entire day to do those shots in the studio while I was in the office. And because of this whole social distancing being in place, I've kind of put part 2 on pause. I just wasn't fully sure how to do it. Like having a Zoom video call and recording that of all of us in part 2 would have, I don't know, it wouldn't have done it justice. Not even to mention part 3, where I was going to show you guys our setup and office tour and everything. None of those were actually doable. So that's pretty much why I put it on pause. The thing is, if I know that I cannot do something really, really well, then I just postpone it until I can do it really, really well. I know that I should have probably made an announcement in a video, but honestly, I was just waiting on the government to see if they would lift any restrictions so that we could all return. But luckily now, the social distancing measures have been reduced. So the distance is now 1 meter, down from 2 meters. Pubs and shopping centers have reopened alongside many, many other things. And even in our building, people have slowly started returning to work. So finally, last week, on July the 6th, 15 weeks or almost 4 months of us being away, we have returned to the office, all of us. And in the meantime, we actually got our 1 million play button delivered. This massive thing, by the way. And I know that this was quite a long intro, so without any further ado, here is my unboxing and first impressions of, well, the most unique thing I've ever unboxed on the channel. And I really don't see myself unboxing anything more special than this. So get your snacks ready and enjoy. Okay, so first of all, taking a look at this box, it's pretty gigantic. So here's a quick comparison against the silver play button. There we go. So this is the button, well, the box that you get when you hit 100k subs, and this is the one that you get when you hit 1 million subs. And yeah, the box is significantly bigger. And I also have one more box here. This is the box of the original 100k play button award. This is the new design, this is the old one. They've actually changed the box quite a bit, but anyways, I'll go into a bit more detail after I'm done with the unboxing in terms of all of these. Okay, so let me just get the knife. Pretty excited. So as you can tell, I haven't really opened this yet. Let's see. Oh, so it's literally just like that. There seems to be something stuck in the box. Right, so the actual letter from Susan Wojcinski. I was probably not supposed to open it like that, but if you take a look at the flaps, that's how it opened. Interesting, okay. Right, so this is the official letter that you get from Susan Wojcinski, the CEO of YouTube. A bit dusty, but let's see what it says. So, you're bigger than Vancouver. You're bigger than Venice. You're even bigger than Las Vegas. 1 million subscribers. Maybe you've imagined that day for a long time. I actually have. But yeah, I never thought this would be real. It's quite nuts. Or maybe you never thought you'd grow so big. Either way, not much can match the satisfaction of finding out that your creativity, your ideas, and your voice speaks to 1 million people across the globe. We know that being able to touch the lives of so many people is rewarding enough. Anyways, we're incredibly proud of all you've done, so we hope you'll accept this Gold Creator Award as a token of our esteem. With your track record, we suspect you're only going to keep growing, and we cannot wait to see you reach the next milestone, 10 million subscribers. It may seem far away, but remember the days when you were psyched to have 1,000? You've amazed us. Keep daring, keep dreaming big, and keep creating. You're the inspiration for everything we do. Sincerely, Susan Wojcinski, CEO of YouTube. Wow. Thank you, Susan. Obviously, these are, printed, but still, pretty awesome. And I can tell that this paper and this whole statement is quite a bit higher quality than the one that I got at 100K, so pretty cool. Again, I'll compare all of these in just a few minutes. Now I'm just gonna unbox the actual 1 million button. Okay. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievements and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. So, yeah, thank you, Rick. Okay, so now I just want to remove it from the cardboard. Holy smokes, this thing is heavy. This thing is... Oh, nice. And what's this? Recognize the team. Share the recognition by allowing your team to purchase a personalized creator award. Really? To purchase authorized copies. This is cool. Okay, right. This is awesome. Okay. Didn't even know that this was a thing. Right. And we also get a microfiber cleaning cloth, I believe. No, actually, this is just the hydrant. And then we get the actual 1 million play button. That's it. There you go. You can mount it on a wall if you want to do that. Or you can just keep it like that, on a shelf. It stands on its own, just like the upcoming iPhone 12s or the iPhone 5, so that's pretty cool. Okay, this is pretty nuts. Thank you, guys. So yeah, that's pretty much it in terms of the unboxing. First impressions. It's pretty sick. It feels very, very premium. I do like this design. Also, I forgot to mention, presented to ZONEofTECH for passing 1 million subscribers, and then the YouTube logo. Pretty awesome. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna compare it against just the previous play buttons and everything that you got in the box. And yeah, it's gonna be fun. So I'll see you guys in just a few minutes. Okay, so now it's time for the YouTube play button review. You see, YouTube is really the only social media company that I'm aware of, at least, that sends their creators awards based on the number of subscribers that they've gained. Okay, so the first award that you get is the silver play button, which you get once you've reached 100,000 subscribers. Now, I remember watching other creators and seeing this button and thinking to myself, how cool it would be to have such a reward. I've never even expected to even see one in person, not even to mention have one myself. But back in 2015, 5 years ago, when I hit 100,000 subscribers, I actually got one. And yeah, this is how it looked. You had this metal frame that kind of looked like wood, but it was actually metal. It was quite nice and made the whole award look like a photo frame. And then inside of that, you had the gray background on which the silver play button was resting, alongside a glass window with the YouTube logo, the channel name, and the message saying congratulations for surpassing 100,000 subscribers. It came in a really nice box that had this black and white frames from, I think, actual YouTube videos. And inside of that, we had a letter from Tom Pickett, who was at that time the global head of content operations at YouTube. Feel free to pause this video in case you want to take a closer look at this. But yeah, there you go. This was the original style silver play button. I absolutely loved this design. Now, unfortunately, one of the hinges on the back was broken. So I got in touch with YouTube and I've asked them to send over a replacement award, which they actually did. However, by the time I actually got the replacement, YouTube had a brand new design. So this is the one that we got. And as you can probably tell, this was a complete overhaul. So first of all, it was much thinner than the old style design. And not only that, but it was also noticeably taller and wider. So yeah, the entire award was quite a bit bigger than the previous design. Also, unlike the previous design where the award was inside of this picture frame, the new design is the award, like entirely. It does look more modern and more futuristic, so to say, so I do really like this look. But at the same time, I also love how you had that metal award inside the previous play button, which you could actually remove if you really wanted to. Now, you would have broken the whole frame, by the way, by doing that, likely. But hey, at least, in a way, it was removable. Do let me know in the comments which one do you guys prefer, the old style design or the new style design. The box itself was thinner and slightly taller, and this is the brand new thank you letter that we got. So it was printed on this fairly thick paper as opposed to the previous one that we had, and this time it was an actual message from Susan Wojcinski, the CEO of YouTube. And the message was quite a bit different this time, and it was also encouraging you to hit 1 million subscribers as, well, it wasn't as far as it seemed, according to this letter. And I gotta say, that's pretty much true. The bigger you are on YouTube, the faster you will grow. Again, feel free to pause this video if you want to read through this letter. And finally, we get to the big 1 million gold play button. And as you can probably tell, this one is significantly bigger than both of the silver play buttons. However, this time around, the new gold play button is actually smaller than the old design. So this is quite the opposite when it comes to the old versus the new silver play buttons. It is thicker and overall gigantic when compared to the silver ones, but it's got the exact same design language as the most recent silver one. Even the writing is pretty much the same font. It is laser printed, by the way, into the award, so you don't have to worry about this falling off over time. The box itself is identical to the style of the new silver play button, and the letter actually matches the card material of the new silver play button card. It's just that the message is, of course, different. So again, you can pause the video to read through the message, and here's how all of these three messages compare. So there you go. My unboxing and review of the 1 million YouTube play button, the gold play button. So yeah, massive thanks to YouTube for making all of these in the first place. Massive thanks to you guys for watching the channel for so many years now. And of course, massive thanks to my team, as I wouldn't have been able to get to 1 million this quick without him. Part 2, by the way, is coming very soon, so stay tuned for that, because it's gonna be quite interesting, covering the team, and part 3 would be the workflow and a few other stuff. So yeah, thank you for watching. Give this a like if you enjoyed it, subscribe for more cool videos. I don't think we'll make another play button unboxing anytime soon. Who knows when the 10 million will be, if ever. But hey, I'm just remaining optimistic. So thank you for watching. I'm Daniel, this has been ZONEofTECH, and I'll see you guys in the next one. ZONEofTECH, signing out. Cheers.